I'm Pete Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools. And today I want to talk to you about a couple things I see sometimes that folks do when they're making a roll cast. When we're making a roll cast, we want that line, leader, and fly to extend nice and straight. And what I see is a tendency to take this rod and drive it down to the water. And you can see I didn't get good extension there when I make that roll cast. Now the roll cast can be relatively easy as long as we do a couple things. The first is we have to get into a good roll cast position. I'm going to have my hand right across from my shoulder or right across from my ear. This is a good setup position for this roll cast. A lot of folks have a tendency to want to sit here out in front of themselves, and when they're here, the tendency is going to be to drive that line down. Now I got that line to straighten out, but it's straightened out on the water. To get it to straighten out above the water, you can think of simply just taking your hand, moving it forward, then getting a nice little flick with that thumb. So we're not going to come down with our hand, we're going to come out with our hand. I come up in this good roll cast position across my shoulder, across from my ear. I just bring my hand forward, push with my thumb, out goes the line, and it's going to roll right out. So again, I just bring this hand back, right across from my ear, right across from my shoulder roughly. Rod's angled just a little bit off to the side. If I come straight up over my head, I might get that line kind of tangling around the rod. So just think a little bit to the side, right here, come forward with the hand, little push with the thumb, and there I get that good extension. And that's going to help you make that roll cast a lot easier.